The Big Bad Wolf book sale is coming back this year, bigger, badder and better than ever. With over 50,000 books to choose from this year, let's take a look at some of the newest features and the biggest improvements to the website. Starting off with the landing page, as you can see, a wonderful free shipping deal when you spend 9,000 rupees or more. First, you want to log into your existing account or create a new one. You can also log in using your social media credentials, making it that much easier. Right at the top, you get a glance of all the great deals. Simply click to slide over and take a peek. There's also a brand new section on all the hot picks of the sale this year. Simply click on any of the desired thumbs and you're taken right to the relevant section. To find out more about any of the featured titles, simply click on any of the books and you get a detailed overview of each title. There's also a range of images and details to help you decide. From here, you can either add to your wish list or add it straight to your cart. Better yet, do you want to make a recommendation? Well, click on any of the sharing options presented. There's a whole range of them this year, making it so much easier for you to share with your friends. Are you not sure what you want to get? All the titles this year have been sorted in easy to find categories. Simply hover over any of the categories for a breakdown of all the subcategories as well. There's a new arrival section. This is where you'll find the hottest new additions to this year's sale. A promotion section, so you know where the deals are at. There's also a recommendation section to help you get started. Pro tip, be sure to check out the pop-out and sound books categories for the little ones while you're at it. If at any given point you want to return to the homepage, click the logo at the top left-hand corner and voila! Another amazing feature this year is the countdown to your free delivery. Doesn't that just make it so much easier? You can also search for any particular book using the search option. If at any point in time you need help, hit the help button. Here you'll find answers to all the major queries, payments, shipping, refunds, damaged items and so much more. If you do need to speak to the team at the Big Bad Wolf, there's simply a message away. If at any point you want to leave and return later, your books are all still there and in your order history. So you're done picking. What next? Click on the shopping cart. From here, you can look at your cart or click checkout to continue. Quick check on the details, your shipping address. If your shipping address needs to be updated, simply fill in your correct address. And if you have a discount code, this is where you enter the code. Select your payment option. Big Bad Wolf accepts any Visa or Master credit or debit card. You can also use Pay Here for Sampath Vishwa internet banking and e-wallet payment options. Select your payment option and boom. From here, you'll be taken to the payment gateway. Add in your card details and wait for the one-time passcode from your bank to your phone. Make sure your bank has your correct phone number in case you haven't received the code. Enter the code online and that's it. Happy shopping, everyone!